Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. In the previous topic, we had discussed about the plains and the rivers. And in the chapter Major Landforms, we so far studied about the mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, is it? So in today's class, we are going to discuss about the desert. So when we see the about when we speak about the desert, the Great Indian Desert, which we can see in the map of India. So children, the yellow color part which is shaded by in the India map is the desert region of India. So students, to talk about today's topic, that is desert. A desert is covered by vast sand areas. It is a area which is covered by sand, and that receives very little rainfall, and sometimes there will be no rainfall. And what would be the temperature? The temperature will be very high in this desert region. And coming to the greenery, we will be seeing very less flora and fauna. Flora is nothing but natural trees and plants that which are grown in the region. That is very less we can see in the desert region. And a desert is we can say in simple, it's a large area of land which is covered with sand and receives very little or less rainfall. I repeat, a desert is a large area of land which is covered with sand and receives very little rainfall or sometimes no rainfall. And they will have only few plants and trees which are grown in the desert, and they will have either high or very low temperature. There will be too much of heat and too much of hot during this desert region. And coming to the location of the desert in the previous map which you are seeing, it is located on the western side of northern plains, where it is located in the western side of northern plains, and it is called the Great Indian Desert or Western Desert or the Thar Desert. It has got three names. What do we call? Great Indian Desert, Western Desert or Thar Desert. So when we consider the desert, it is of two types. One is cold and the hot. And the example is for the cold and hot desert is Ladakh is a cold region, and the Thar desert is the hot desert. In the map you could see the Great Indian Desert which is showing the yellow color. And to talk about this region, as I said, the region of Great Indian Desert is made up of loose sand and rocks. And this loose sand is going to blow away due to the strong winds to form a hills. And these hills are called sand dunes. Sand dunes, what do we call? When the air blows, when the wind blows strongly, the loose sand is going to blow away and it forms a shape of the hills. And these hills are called sand dunes. And the strong which blows also causes dust storms. What do we say? Dust storms. Now we'll have a quick look on or highlights of this hot desert region. Basically, they will have this climate condition, extreme climate condition. They will have very hot and very very hot during the days, and during the night it is will be cold. And generally there will be this area will be dry, and it receives less rainfall, and they will have less greenery. And desert of two types, one is cold and hot. And due to the extreme climate condition, that is due to the hot condition, during the days it will be hot and during the night will be cold. And desert are generally very dry region, and sandstorm are common in these areas. As I said, the loose sand which is going to blow away when the wind blow, strong winds is going to blow, they form a hills. And these sand hills we call it as sand dunes. What do we call? Sand dunes. Small hills of sand are called dunes. Dunes, dunes are formed when the sand moves from one place to another place due to the strong wind. In simple, we can say when the sand is going to move from one place to another place due to the blowing of the wind, it forms a shape of a hill, and this shape we call it as dunes. And What are the plants they grow? We'll see. So students, in today's class, that is the last landform which we find in India. There are major landforms where plateaus, plains, mountains, rivers and desert. So in today's class we discussed about desert. What is a desert? An area which is covered by sand and receives very little or less rainfall or no rainfall, and it has got a very hot temperature, and during the daytime it will be very hot, during the night it will be very cold. And due to the heavy temperature, they does not grow any plants, or we cannot see large in greenery. And the camel is the one of the animal which they use for the transportation purpose in during this region. Due to the sandstorms, that is when the sand moves from one place to another due to the strong wind, it forms a hill shape which we call as dunes. So this is the small information about the desert area. Thank you, and please complete the worksheet. Be safe and be healthy.